Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Acino. So checking in on NEO 4-hour chart. Coming down, retesting its prior lows right in this 47 area, just above that. If we break lower again, 45.17, then major cluster 42.70 to 43.28, and then all the way down potentially 38. Now you see how it rallied up here, found resistance at 25%. Again, retracing and the declining 50. Right now, we're watching for, again, key support was at this, what's now the 12.5% level, which you see over here, support, breaking resistance, getting through there. That's probably going to be resistance again, so we'll be watching for 51.41, probably some minor resistance at this 50, which is about 53.22 at the time of this recording. What we're really watching for is see if it can get back up around to this 55 level, 55.77, because if we get a close, let me give you the exact number, or an extended move with a pullback above 55.60, that triggers a really nice double bottom pattern. 59.87 first level, right at this prior resistance, and we'll show you on the daily chart too. 62 and then 64.14. Speaking of the daily chart, let's switch over there now. Real levels we'd be focusing on if this does trigger are the first one and the second one because of the declining 21 EMA and this prior major support zone right here. So we'd really be focusing on the 62 and the 59.87 levels. But you can see if it would trigger, the 8 would be out of the way, and so we could easily have a very quick run up. Now, you got to wait for this to trigger. You can't just front run this unless you have another pattern because there's just not a lot of strength in this market yet. Switching over to TRON. TRON came back down, tested the first target on this prior double again. You see right here, forming another double. So this was done. Then it triggered this double. Couldn't be traded on the 4-hour, but I'll show you really nicely on the 1-hour how that looked. When you start seeing a lot of momentum, we tend to drop down time frames. So here you go. You got the close above the key level, the pullback right here. This is what you watch for. When you get this big igniting bar, you watch for these pullbacks right near the triggering level. So in this case, it was the 0.3728 level, and the low here was 0.03713. So you could easily get into this pullback, and then the next candle took it all the way through all the targets, spiking through the top target. Next candle hitting the top target exactly, then falling all the way back down to what would be the breakout zone and this little key support and the rising rotation zone. So then there's a rotation, if you are an aggressive trader, a rotation entry back up. So those are all done for now. So let's switch back to that 4-hour chart. Just wanted to give you a little clue. If we do pull back more, again, key support right now is right around this point. 0.0369 area right in the middle of the rotation zone. Coming up here, I'd be watching for key resistance now around 0.0435 area, and then if we do get through there, we can just do our GAN projections up, and we want to just do the 12 and the 25% and take off these other ones, and we can see intermediate is 0.049177, and major cluster area is right around this 0.051 to 0.0513 areas. And that was also major prior resistance, so really pay attention to that 0.0513 area because that could be very key resistance. It was the tops of this double area that triggered short, and now it's a GAN cluster and a retracement level. So we have for you on TRON and NEO, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.